Hey guys, it's been a while. It's been about a year actually since I conceded to my neighbor Mark for dominance in the neighborhood, and during that time I've had a lot of time to realize some very important things. One, Mark cannot not grow a beard, and what that means is he can't have a baby face. Like, he can shave every day, but he can't go for weeks without shaving and do this. He can't not grow a beard. I mean, think about it. Even Jesus didn't do that. So clearly I was mistaken. Clearly I still have dominance in the neighborhood. I mean, just because I can't grow a beard, or just because I can not grow a beard, clearly establishes that I have dominance. Matter of fact, I have been celebrating this dominance lately. Just the other day, I took my one wheel out, and just for fun, just to show the neighborhood, I left my skin all over the asphalt because I left the board. But no other neighbor, nobody else in the neighborhood is willing to do that. Clearly, dominance is reestablished. This is the rise of dominance. I'm back, guys. I'm back. And I just want to encourage you, if you're in your neighborhood, stay strong. Don't let people intimidate you. And you don't have to leave your skin all over the asphalt, though. You can just be, or take a walk with your chest out or your belly out. Actually, walk with your belly out. That's much stronger. Stick that belly out and breathe down deep and low, and lead with the hips. And then they'll know. And you won't see any other neighbor doing that. If you do see them out walking, they'll be carrying their dog with them for protection. So that, my friends, is how you establish your dominance. And celebrate with me. This is the rise of dominance. I'm back.